Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're here, that means you are interested just like me in what destroyed this Supra engine. Now, what we're just going to do for today is just disassembly. We're not going to rebuild anything. We're just going to find out what broke in it, and from there, order all the parts that we need. That way, when it comes time to rebuild this engine, there's no downtime. And of course, what better way to go celebrate in taking apart a broken, modified engine than to take another kind of broken, modified engine. Woo! Who doesn't like a good chop? A little bit of glip clop. Oh. And here we are again. Engine still on the stand. Absolutely the best thing that we have ever done. It is so nice and cool in here and dry. Current situation though, although it is on the stand, what we're gonna have to do is mount it right here on the side. So the turbo is gonna have to come off. We're going to transverse mount it. So that way we can also do the timing on reassembling, because the timing is actually on the back of the engine. Best part about not doing your work is that act like you fuck up, so that way somebody else does it for you.
No, the trick is to get it like to the point of where it's almost fucked up and then ask them for help.
Unconventional, but transversely mounted. The last bit of it right before the valve cover comes out. Dang, like brand new. Wow, it's actually really nice even wear. You can't even tell. Overestimated that, didn't you?
I overestimated the length of these bolts. Okay.
Oh, you can't turn it anymore? So much for calling it on the valve covers, huh?
No, I said welcome too.
Oh, I didn't hear that. Almost this entire time, I've just been like the kid holding the flashlight for dad. Can you see it? Can you see past the shadow? God, I'm doing a terrible job at holding this thing.
That's okay, I've got just enough light. Yeah, there's your ringland and a bit of a ring.
All right. Some glitter. All right. I could still, help you lift.
All right, let's do it.
Help.
What do you mean? Oh.
You set me up for failure? Yeah. Wow. 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 All right. Oh, wow. Ooh-wee. Okay. Well, what do you think, Mr. Damone?
Need light.
Okay. Asking you shall receive.
I think you're fine. I think you just need a piston.
All right. That looked a lot worse on the camera, to be honest.
Yeah, I was telling you, dude. I was like, let's tear it apart first. Because the gouges usually are superficial.
Okay.
Or the camera usually makes it appear superficial. It's really hard to see the depth.
Oh my god, dude, there's a hairline crack. I'm just playing, dude. There's no hairline crack. That's usually what you're supposed to do to me. I'm glad you didn't.
Oh no.
Do we have anything in the oil pickup? A little bit of grass, but
Grass?
yeah, grass.
I hope not. Oh, what the fuck? That's clean too. That's fresh clippings.
What did you do?
We broke that bolt.
I would have broke that bolt.
You would've broke that
100%. Left-handed threads. Without a doubt. I'm so glad you're doing this, dude. This is the entire reason why I didn't want to do this.
A little shit like that.
Yeah, I needed your professionalism.
I get it.
Oh, hello. I see a ring. I'm not supposed to see a ring.
No, you're not. Number 5?
Yeah. Legitimately always 5?
Always.
Why 5?
I don't know. It just is. I'm not even gonna lie to you or give you some BS. I honestly don't know. I just know it's always 5 on these motors.
The crank is the only one that's forged in here, isn't it?
There's nothing forced in this engine.
Oh, really?
They lied to you. The
There's-
crank is pressure cast. The rods are pressure cast. The pistons are billet. They are not forged, they are billet. A lot of people make the connotation that because they're they make the assumption that because they're shiny, that they're forged. They are not. They are billet. They're just cut out of one piece of metal. It's not compacted and pressurized through the forging process, which leads to failures such as what this core engine suffered, because a lot of people tune them as though they're forged, but they're not.
Do you just want to use the butt end of your screw? Never mind. I love how you say
It was cylinder 2!
that was cylinder 5.
Oh, whoops. Backwards.
Yeah, that's why
Yeah, it
it's...
screwed me up a little bit. Yeah, but
I was gonna say, man, way to save the damaged piston for last. And the only piston to ever fall out like that.
it's all about the climax.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, that's pretty bad. I haven't seen one that bad before. At least their cylinder wall still look great.
Well, let's flip her over and find out.
Yeah, we're big chilling. You just need a piston.
Oh man, that's barely... That's like no damage.
Yeah, Nixo coatings are astonishingly strong.
Let's do the fingernail test on it real quick.
Right in.
It's not even catching.
Yep.
Oh, that's money, baby.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be even cheaper than I thought it would be. So, what happens with a ring gap that is too tight is thermal expansion causes the ring ends to butt together. And the reason why that's an issue is because when they butt together, there's no more room for that ring to expand. And when there's no more room for it to expand, it presses against the cylinder walls, which creates more friction, which creates heat, which makes the ring try to expand more, but there's nowhere for it to go. And then it blows out your ring gland.
And that will be the stopping point for today until we get the new piston. And from there, we'll do exactly what Damone said. The rings will be gapped bigger to accompany the more combustion that'll be happening inside the engine due to more boost. And I have to analyze the fuel just to be sure what kind of fuel this guy is using, because it could possibly be a 93, it could be an E40 blend, who knows. But I do want to utilize the same fuel because this engine does not have a flex fuel sensor in it. In the next video, what you're going to see is we're going to be reassembling this engine and hopefully sticking it in the car and taking it out on the first proper drive that it's ever had since I've taken ownership of this thing, what, 4 months ago, 5 months ago? But the thing is that I would not want to do this at 95 to 100 degree humid weather. It'd be absolutely miserable. But we should have this car ready to go within the next week. I know the updates have been a little bit slow. I haven't been posting at all in the last couple of months, mostly because we've been waiting for the AC, been waiting on the right time just to get this car in here to disassemble it, repair it. So if you're interested on seeing how this thing will drive later on, subscribe and keep up with these videos with me. Ah! No headlights, buddy.